You looking at it?
We both wait.
You sure did.
Hey you guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. Right now it is currently Thursday morning. It is around 10:43 a.m. and in today's vlog it's gonna be a mini maintenance week. As you guys know, I got my BBL surgery going on 2 months, guys. It is so crazy how fast the time is just flying by. But anyway, I'm gonna leave the link up top to the surgery vlog if you haven't checked that out already, because girl, you got to get caught up. But anyway, ever since my surgery, I just haven't felt the urge or the need to get pretty. All I wanted to do literally is just stay in the house and recover and heal up. So this week I'm actually gonna step out. We gonna pop out, girl. It's one of my homegirls' birthday. She's having a little dinner party at STK tomorrow, so I'm gonna get my life all the way together. All right, so I gotta get my hair done, I gotta get my nails done, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm also gonna be going to Miami for the weekend, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me on that. So yeah, she's popping out. Like I said, we are popping all the way out. It's time to show the body. It's time to pop out a little bit. So this should be a fun little weekly vlog. Today I actually have an appointment shortly to get a Brazilian wax, because girl, down there it's a whole safari, it's a whole jungle down there. But my appointment is for 11:20, so I'm gonna go knock that out, and after that I'm gonna get my hair done. I want to knock my hair out today so I don't have to worry about it tomorrow, because like I said, the dinner party is tomorrow evening around 9 p.m. so I think those are the only two things that I'm gonna get done for today, the wax and my hair. And then tomorrow I have an appointment to get my nails done at 9:30 a.m. I also have another massage appointment. I also got to bring my clothes that I'm gonna be wearing to the dinner party to an alteration spot, because guys, my like waist to hip ratio is ridiculous. It's like all of my tops and my jeans now, they gotta be altered at the waist. So I'm gonna get my top altered and also my pants altered at the waist as well. Let me head out so I could actually make my appointment on time. Good morning. I have an appointment. Do I just check in? Stephanie Voltaire. Thank you. Hey y'all, so I finally made it back home. I got a chance to make it to my wax appointment, and I also went to the alteration place to get my clothes altered. This really sucks, guys. Like, I just realized that I'm gonna pretty much have to get majority of my clothes altered. Like, if it's not that stretchy material, I'm gonna have to get it altered at the waist. That's gonna be really costly. Like, when you add it up, it's gonna be costly. Because today I had them alter about 5 or 6 items, and it came up to almost $80. It was like 70 something dollars. So I'm thinking like, damn, now pretty much everything that I buy, if it's not stretchy, I'm gonna have to get it altered. But anyway, guys, I'm just grabbing a quick bite to eat. I grabbed some Chick-fil-A. Got the Southwest salad with the avocado dressing. So good. And of course with my Arnold Palmer. And I'm just gonna eat before I go ahead and start on my hair. Let me prop this camera up. This salad is so good. You can never go wrong with Chick-fil-A, right? This week, actually, I've been eating clean. I've been doing good. I've been eating a lot of avocado. I'm like obsessed with salmon, so I've been eating a lot of salmon, a lot of avocado. I haven't been eating that much carbs. I'm Haitian, so we have to eat rice with everything. But instead of eating rice, I've been eating cauliflower rice. So yeah, I've been doing quite good for the most part. I'm so excited for tomorrow, guys, because I haven't gone to STK in a minute, and that's like my favorite restaurant. So since I've been eating clean, I'm not gonna feel as guilty if I order what I want at STK. Because listen, I need my ribeye steak, I need my wine sauce with my asparagus and my mac and cheese, okay? And as far as Miami, I'm gonna try not to go too crazy while I'm down there. But yeah. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my salad, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Happy Friday, you guys. It is the next morning. Woo, it's kind of cold. I just got in the car and turned the heat on, but yeah, it is chilly this morning in Florida. I am not feeling this. But anyway, I am headed to my nail appointment right now. I got it for 9:15 a.m. So I'm just heading to that. And y'all, as y'all can see, I did my hair last night. I recorded a tutorial on this hair. This wig was sent to me by Eula Hair. And I like how the install came out. For a closure wig, it really looks like a frontal. I ain't no expert when it comes to wigs, but I think I did pretty good on this. I think I'm gonna either curl it for tonight or do crimps. I don't really like the straight look, so I think once I put curls in it, I'll like it more. But yeah, guys, I like how the install came out. I don't know, I think I might pluck the baby hairs over here now that I'm looking at it on camera. I think when I get home, I'm gonna like thin this out. Baby hair is looking kind of thick, but anyway, I'm rambling. Let me see if I could roll up to Starbucks real quick, grab me a chai latte before I make this nail appointment.
Ryan Little.
Alright y'all, I'm finally done getting ready. Just wanted to show you guys real quick what I'm looking like. So I decided to do the crimps in my hair, and I like it so much better than having the hair straight. But anyway, let me finish getting ready so I could get on out of here. I am running late per usual. Oh my god, I'm the worst. And by the way, this is my outfit. Pardon me, I'm just tucking my shirt in real quick. We're supposed to be at this dinner at 9:30 and it is 9:45 and I still haven't left my house yet. I'm always the one that's running late. It's ridiculous. But I look cute though. I'm finally feeling myself. Like, I finally look cute. It's been a while for me, you guys. I really like how this wig came out though. I'm not gonna lie, at first I wasn't really feeling the wig that much. But now since I styled it and put the crimps in it, I'm feeling it. Alright, let me throw my heels on. This is what I'm wearing. Some Steve Madden nude pumps. I wish they had a bodysuit version to this. Like, look at this. I'm gonna check online to see if they do. I don't think they do, cause this keep riding up. Can't forget the perfume, of course. I'm wearing my Baccarat Rouge. It's my all-time favorite perfume. I know they say only spray 2 spritz, but I like to spray a lot. I don't care. Alright y'all, I am all done. For my purse, this is the purse that I'm carrying. It's a dupe to the Voltaire, whatchamacallit. I found this on Amazon for like 30 bucks. And it looks pretty identical, so this is the purse that I'm gonna be rocking. It's a cute little outfit. Hopefully I could get some pics. And ooh, I'm cute. I'm feeling this look. Yeah, I gotta get a pic in. I gotta take at least one pic tonight. But all right, let me get going because I'm running late. These girls are waiting on me. Later.
Bad girl make you wine to this nana. Give me that thing where I go feel it nana.
Hey you guys, I finally made it back home. It's kind of late right now. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. And y'all, I still gotta pack for Miami. We're supposed to be leaving for Miami at 9 a.m. And mind you, I said it's 2 o'clock. So I got a couple of hours to get my life together. Y'all, I'm so tired. Between me running errands today and filming the night before on this hair, I am beat. And I know since this is a girls trip to Miami, I'm barely gonna get any sleep on my trip. So, oh, this is gonna be a long weekend. But nonetheless, it should be very fun. But yeah, let me try to get my life together and pack as quickly as possible so I could try to get a little bit of rest before we head to Miami. I'm coming. Hey you guys, so I'm finally in Miami. Sorry, I haven't been vlogging that much because I just want to have fun with my girls. You know, this is my first time in a while popping out, so I just want to enjoy my little girls trip. So with that being said, unfortunately, I'm going to end the vlog right here for today. So we about to go out. We're going to go to South Beach for brunch because I'm hungry. We went out the night before, and girl, that's my first time in a while drinking like hard liquor ever since my surgery. After my surgery, the most I would have to drink is like wine. So this is my first time in a while drinking Hennessy and hard liquor, and it was a little rough for me to get up this morning, but we made it. So anyway, let me go ahead and head out. The girls are waiting on me, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, then please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Thumbs up this video, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah nah nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm doing. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything.
What if there was a national company working in collaboration with a 501c3 public foundation, major lenders, title companies, realtors, and builders in order to provide home buyers with the non-repayable grants they need to cover a substantial portion of their down payment and closing costs? What if that company went a step further by making these grants available without income restrictions and helped home buyers increase their purchasing power by paying off old collections, reducing credit score requirements, and collaborating with banks in order to bring them to close with zero or little out of pocket?
I ain't had strong liquor in
What
like
if that
months.
company created a business opportunity
Yeah.
as a peer-to-peer social media referring society?